Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of flip-style phones with big cover screens. Now, if you're in China or Europe, you might be familiar with these concepts, but for those of us in the US, this is pretty exciting stuff. I'm here to share my thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5's cover screen experience.
Remember the Motorola Razr Plus?
Not only were they great for quick info checks, but also for running simple apps. But the real test comes with Samsung's entry into this game with the Z Flip 5. While I'm still exploring its capabilities, after just a few days with this device, I'm ready to crown it as the winner in the cover screen department, except for a few aspects. Now, let's talk hardware first. The Razr Plus boasts a stunning 144Hz, 413 pixels per inch display, while the Flip 5 screen is a standard 60Hz with 306 pixels per inch. The resolution difference is evident when comparing them side by side. However, when it comes to the software experience, Samsung takes the lead. The Flip 5 features a true always-on display, providing convenience right from the start. Samsung offers a plethora of options to customize your cover screen wallpaper, allowing you to personalize your device even further. You can add a photo, apply filters, and choose whether to display battery percentage and app notifications. Compared to the Razr Plus, which offers limited customization, Samsung's options are more extensive. Widgets play a significant role in the cover screen experience. The Z Flip 5 shines here as well. While both devices use panels for widgets, Samsung's widgets are more interactive and app-like. They offer detailed information and the ability to tap events for full details. Motorola's widgets provide specific info at a glance but lack the functionality Samsung offers. Now, onto a crucial aspect, running full apps. This is where the Razr Plus excels. With an easy menu to enable app running on the cover screen, it offers a seamless experience. Unfortunately, Samsung makes this a bit more complicated. The option is buried in the Labs section of the settings, and it's limited to a few apps. You need additional modules to expand this capability, which can be less user-friendly. In terms of app usage, the Razr Plus takes the lead. Its keyboard has a persistent input field, ensuring you always see what you're typing. However, Samsung's keyboard lacks this feature, which can sometimes lead to elements disappearing behind the keyboard. This highlights a difference in approach between the two brands. It's important to consider user expectations. Most people buying a Flip 5 or Razr Plus aren't necessarily looking to run a multitude of apps on the cover screen. Samsung's decision to make this option less accessible is understandable. As we look ahead, it's exciting to anticipate these brands learning from each other and enhancing cover screen experiences in future flip phones. And there you have it, folks. My take on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5's cover screen experience. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech discussions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech, whether you're a flip phone enthusiast or not. See you in the next video.